Hey guys, today I want to have a quick look at the Auerday tripod, as you can see just here. Now there it comes in the box. We're actually going to do an unboxing of it, have a look at it, set it up so you guys can see whether you like it. So the first thing I like is it comes in this bag, so it enables you to be able to hold it no matter where you are. It all is contained in this bag too, and straight away you can feel that it's got a good quality build. It feels quite heavy, so you know it's made of some good parts. Now we'll take it open and have a look at it. So to start with, there's the actual tripod itself. Now you can use this for your DSLR cameras, so I use it for my Sony ZV-1. You can also use it for iPhones as well, and I'll show you the attachments in a minute. So there it is just there. Now you've got the stand that opens up. Now you seal that in there and it stops it from moving. You've got the handle there which allows you to move it all around. You've got the legs that really go right out. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs that come out. Now this makes it a lot taller than other tripods I've actually used in the past. So it goes very, very high, and I'll show you guys that shortly. And the top also extends too. So if you put this up, you can extend this up so you can make your videos high. Now it's completely adjustable, which I like. Actually, so you've got to move that out, and then you can roll it up like that. So you can basically move it 360, move it all different angles like that. The tripod's quite stable, and you've also got the little marker there as well, which tells you whether it's an angle or flat. Very nice tripod. I'm just going to go put this down just now. I'm going to show you guys what it's like when I actually put my iPhone on there. I did bring my iPhone, good. So we go down like this and we park it down just like that. So that's about halfway up. Now we've got different attachments in here. So what have we got? We've got the, you got the thing to put in the legs, stabilize it. You got the clicker which automates the tripod. You've got the cable for that, other legs to it, and you've got the iPhone attachment. So essentially what this does, enables you to use this for a camera or also an iPhone. So very simply, you get your iPhone, you do this, plug it on there, you attach your iPhone to there like this. So sorry, I don't go into that. So you use this here. I'll show you afterwards. So you can attach your iPhone here. So let me do this again. So what you do is you want to attach your iPhone just there with that attachment. So you screw it like this, like that. Nice and easy. I know I made it look more difficult. And then put that on here. And now you've got your iPhone as a camera stand too. So, oh God. Like that. So there you are. Sees the iPhone sitting there, and now you can adjust it, or you can tip it over and make it so you can do 9:16. So a great little camera case, and it's very tall as well, so completely customizable. So yeah, the Auerday camera tripod really is great. It's going to fit part of my filming equipment coming forward, and yeah, very good quality, easy to use, and it's great.